Hi, it's Fly Ty and Jacinda. Happy Thanksgiving from your favorite grocery store, Compare Foods.
Want a free turkey? All you have to do is spend $125 or more in a single trip to one of our 6 Charlotte-based Compare Foods grocery stores. It's that easy.
And this is what $125 looks like in groceries. Hey, if you spend this in one trip while you shop, we give.
I love it. That means more turkey leftovers like turkey empanadas, turkey tacos, turkey soup, turkey sandwiches, turkey wraps.
Okay, they get it, Jacinda. Like this video and share it on social media at Compare Foods Charlotte.
So from our family at Compare Foods to yours, happy Thanksgiving.